Okay, guys, ever wanted to build instant credibility by showing off your team or expert endorsements? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely trustworthy. Today, we're adding this team banner section to your store. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier. Genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Team Banner number 2. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Backed by Experts, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly, and its settings open up on the left side. First option here shows 3 different layouts. You can choose any one, and width is already set to max. Below that comes the heading. I'll edit this to Sections We Built. Right below that, you'll find colors too, which you can easily change, but I won't be touching those right now. After that comes the heading font style, which I'll replace with Poppins as always. Let's scroll down again, and here you'll find something called Clinicians. This is where you add your team members' profile pictures, whoever you want to showcase, one by one. After adding all the images, you can also change the heading and link text here. Following that, you'll add your company's logo. I'm adding Section Kit's logo here, and you can edit any other details the same way. These are the settings that show up for the user on the Learn More tab. After that, I'll also change the body text's font style to Poppins. Now let's close this and choose any Expert tab. Here, you can add your senior team members' pictures. I don't have any ready right now, so I'll just add a random image. Below that, you can add their heading and role or title, whatever position that team member holds. You'll prepare all 3 cards the same way, one by one. Now click on the FAQ item, and here you'll add a frequently asked question that fits your brand, along with its answer. After that comes the Clinician row, where you'll add your team members' images and their following details too. Once you're done with all that, you can review everything at once by clicking the Learn More button, which shows the FAQs and details we just added, and you can edit them the same way we did. After all that, hit Save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.